Greetings and welcome back to the channel. This is our multi-part video series to repair the WPV1 helmet mold mother shell. So in this video we're going to be finishing up assembling the mother shell. First things first, I gotta drill new holes for the bolts to go through to clamp the mother shell around the mold. Here we are, just clamp, drill, repeat. I want to take the time to ask you to like and share the video, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell icon so you'll be notified of when we upload new videos. You can hit us up on our social media pages. We are Draven's Total Customs on both Facebook and Instagram. You can also email us at dravenstotalcustoms@gmail.com. Please visit our Etsy store at dravenstotalcustoms.etsy.com. We'll be adding new stuff in the coming months, so check it out. And here I am using an angle grinder to cut the excess fiberglass from the flange area of the mother shell. PPE is very important when working with power tools and with fiberglass. Make sure you are wearing safety glasses and a respirator when working with both. And there we are. We're done fixing the mother shell. So pretty, you need to take a picture of her. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.